So today, we're going to talk AirTags. These things are not like an iPad or an AirPod Pro or an iPhone. These are something that they came out, you throw them on something, and long term they make a big difference. So let's start with unboxing these. Simple Apple boxing, got the little green, little pull away. Open it up. And there's your AirTag. It's about the size of I want to say a quarter. It's small. And then with this, you just take it out, move this to the side. You pull off the first plastic piece, and there's your AirTag. And then the second piece comes out. And if you bring it close to your phone, it should come up right away, and you should be ready to connect it. So let's connect. This one is going on my house keys. So let's do custom name. And house keys. Continue. Custom emoji. Let's do it. Let's do a home. My Apple ID. And just like that, my house keys is setting up. You hear the little sound. And just like that, it's set up. And that's how you set up the AirTags. It's literally that easy. First impressions, this isn't my first AirTag. This is my third AirTag. I have one on my backpack. So you can see right here, I got this the day it came out, personalized with a little JL. Got that on there with a leather loop. Recently just got one for my wallet. Got that one in my wallet. We got the backpack. And there's my three AirTags. What's really interesting is Apple gives you a choice. They give you a choice in if you want to buy this. I had a tile previously, 2 tiles actually. One for my wallet, which is a cool little size. And then one I had on my house keys, car keys, that's actually still on there. And when I went to make this video, I actually went to the Tile app to check kind of the status of it and play with the Tile app because I've never played with it, and it told me I needed to replace the battery. And that's me having a choice. I had a choice to either go into the app and replace the battery through Tile, where they send me a battery, or I could swallow whatever I spent on that and spend $29.99 and get myself another AirTag. And I had the choice, I had the option, and of course I went with the AirTag. One thing that's hard that Apple gives you that the others don't is in compatibility and just how easy it is. Apple, you open it, you take out the tab, and right there it connects like you saw earlier. We go to Find My, and we have everything. I have my iPhone, my Apple Watch, my iPad, my MacBook, my AirPods Max. I have it all right here with locations, all in one place. I come over here and I have my items. I now have my house keys, my backpack, and my wallet, and eventually my car keys. Again, all in one place. And that's where Apple continuously wins, is this ecosystem. This is here now. This is on my iPad. It's everywhere. It's on my watch. Versus the Tile app where I need to go, download the app, download the software, connect it, which I don't even want to show that tutorial because let me tell you, it takes forever. It's on my iPad. It's everywhere. So with simplicity, Apple wins. You can buy one of these for $29.99 or 4 for $99.99, $100. You can customize them. This one says JL, my initials. It's pretty cool. It has the U1 chip. The U1 chip is something that's very interesting. I do not have an iPhone 11 or 12. I have an XS Max, way behind in the iPhone software. But I did a tutorial with my dad's the other night, and the U1 chip and being able to find your keys, literally directional point to the spot, is remarkable. It's 14 feet away, it's 1.2 feet away. The look down, the left, the right, literally following an arrow is unbelievable and something that's so beneficial for keys. I mean, you don't lose keys right in plain sight. You lose them in places you don't think you're going to lose them. I haven't had to run out of batteries, but these things apparently 1 year, which is almost double the time I've had both these tiles for. And then accessories. I have right here the leather loop. I'm gonna open this up to throw in there, but same unboxing idea. Get rid of all that, but the Apple leather loop, they have leather loops, they have luggage loops, and a bunch of other stuff. And just technology-wise, I mean, this is just, it's Apple. What do you like? It's just a good leather that you expect from Apple. You take it, throw it in, buckle up, and you're in. And it's really that easy, that nice. And you can just throw these on your keys. And like that, it's my newest accessory. I'm not going to do it right now, but there it is with the AirTags. You can throw them on keys, wallet, purse, fanny pack, backpack, anywhere. You can throw them on your dog and get it tracked. So what do these things do more than just be something that you throw in your wallet and you never look at again? And it's what you can do with them. We go into the Find My app, and let's say we want to find my backpack. You can go into the Find My app, and you can literally ping your devices. Here's my backpack. Play sounds, and it's pinging. It's just like what you can do on the iPhone, where you can scroll up and ping your phone, which is my favorite device on the Apple Watch, or it's my favorite feature on the Apple Watch, is being able to ping your phone. I lose my phone all the time, and now that I can ping all of my devices, it's just wonderful, all from this one app. Precision finding we talked about with the 11, 12, and 13 iPhones. You can literally direction by direction, turn by turn, step by step get to your product. The network. The network's something I really want to talk about. iPhones and the iOS, the Apple ecosystem have taken over. It's Apple, Android, and those couple things. And the ecosystem's just huge. You'll find someone with an iPhone, basically every other person. And when you take these AirTags and you move them into that ecosystem, and that ecosystem is now full with all these AirTags, where if you lose something, your percentage of finding it is so much higher, because within that ecosystem, so many other people have Apple products and within that ecosystem, versus the Tile. There's an ecosystem for the Tile, but with the Tile, the ecosystem is a lot smaller. So your odds of finding something are a lot less. And why would you not want something that you can find a lot easier? So basically it's a secured Bluetooth network that basically pings devices around you that are also in the Apple ecosystem. And you'll get an alert that there's an AirTag that is lost near you. And I mean, I was at work the other day and my work phone got a ping that there was an AirTag on a product lost near me. And it's strictly encrypted, strictly private. It's literally pinning off of different AirTags and different Apple products in that area. And that's what I talk about when I talk about this ecosystem that the AirTags have moved into. And this ecosystem, MKBHD said it best, is this ecosystem, you get a choice. Tile can enter the Apple ecosystem. It's open to anyone, but they chose not to. So you're given a choice, but they chose not to enter it, because either way, Apple wins, because it's still in that Find My network. So Apple wins regardless. So Tile decided to stay away from that, which might have changed my mind and I would have just replaced a battery. But I don't want to have to be in a different app like I've showed you many times on here. And Apple just kind of said, here you go, we're going to throw this at you, we're going to throw this at you, we're going to make it cheap, affordable, and you have a choice. You can choose Tile, you can choose another third party, or you can choose the Apple one. And 9 out of 10 times, 10 out of 10 times, I'm probably gonna choose the Apple one. Like, I have 2 Tiles here that I could easily replace the batteries, and I said, whatever, I'm gonna swallow the whatever $35, $40 I spent on this. I'm gonna get an AirTag just because I wanna be in the same network as all my other stuff. You take it, you open it, you throw it in your bag, and when you lose something that's very important to you, these things come in handy. Other than that, they're just there. And, I mean, they look pretty damn cool. That is my review of the AirTag. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you go out and buy some. I know I'm going to be buying some more. And these reviews, there's a trend that they're all Apple. And in the future, they're not all going to be Apple. There's going to be some other reviews coming that are non-Apple products. But I'm a huge Apple fan, as you can tell from my shirt, my watch, my phone. I'm just a huge Apple fan, and I own a lot of Apple stuff. And I think it's something that you can show off in many ways and kind of flex your expertise about in many ways. And also it's a reason to research and learn more about this ecosystem and what makes Apple Apple. And I'm currently reading the Steve Jobs book, so I mean, Apple's got a special place in my heart right now, and I feel like I'm very invested. Thank you for tuning in. This was another Tech Talk. Until next time.